All right, so this is a problem here, y'all, out of the homework, and the problem says for the point P, which has coordinates 8 and negative 125, or negative 25, and Q, which has coordinates 13 and negative 20, find the distance and find the coordinates of the midpoint. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to find the distance. So my distance formula says we're going to take x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, right? So remember, this is my x1 and this is my y1. That's my x2 and that's my y2. Why? Because my points are always in the form x and y. And we're using ones and twos because we have 2 points, right? The first point, the second point. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and plug in my x2 number. My x2 number in this case, y'all, is 13. So 13 minus my x1 number, which is 8 squared. Y2 in this case is my number negative 20 minus y1, which is a negative 25 squared. Okay. Okay, 13 minus 8 is going to give me 5 squared. Minus 20 minus a negative 25, that becomes positive. So negative 20 plus 25 is also 5 squared. So this is 25 plus 25, that is 50. Okay, so my distance is the square root of 50, which I can break down into 5 and 10, and this is 5 and 2. Remember, y'all, the square root means I'm getting pairs. So we have a pair of, in this case, we have a pair of 5s, right? So the number that's going to come outside is the 5. The number that's going to stay inside is the 2. So here's my distance. The distance is 5 square root of 2. Okay, now we're going to find the midpoint. So let's find the midpoint. So remember, my 2 points again. First point is 8 and negative 25. And my second point Q is 13 and negative 20. Okay, now we're going to find the midpoint. So the midpoint formula says x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Again, that's my x1, that's my y1. That's my x2, and that's my y2. So I'm going to start plugging my numbers in. x1 is 8, plus x2, that is 13, divided by 2. Y1 is a minus 25, plus y2 is a negative 20, divided by 2. Okay. So 8 plus 13 is 21 over 2. Negative 25 plus negative 20 is a negative 45 over 2. And here are the coordinates of my midpoint.